Thanks to Peaceful Thrill Seeker on Instagram, we get this amazing aerial drone view of Pipeline the surf coaster testing at SeaWorld Orlando. This upcoming roller coaster is a world-first surf coaster. SeaWorld has made sure to define that it is different than a standing coaster, making this unique and a world first. While the actual major differences between these two types of coasters isn't super prevalent, we can be positive in saying that this looks like a whole lot of fun as this surfboard whooshes by on the track. This roller coaster will reach speeds of 60 miles an hour, meaning this surf coaster is as fast as Disney's new Tron Light Cycle Run attraction at the Magic Kingdom. The coaster will go up to 110 feet in the air, featuring a launch to start, and surprisingly, it will also have a complete inversion. There is over 2,900 feet of track, and this attraction will be the 7th roller coaster at SeaWorld Orlando, helping them maintain their self-claimed Roller Coaster Capital of Orlando title. At the 2022 IAAPA Expo event in Orlando, we got our first look at the surfboard-inspired coaster train design, and just about a month ago, we were walking in the dirt looking around the construction progress. Now, we can see that trains are riding along the track as SeaWorld prepares to open their new thrill attraction. Personally, I see this new attraction as a major win for SeaWorld. The track is full of maneuvers with different track elements, dips, turns, and of course the inversion. The coaster train looks fantastic, and the colors of the track and the train work well for each other. Many have just one fear, that is it comfortable? As stated, SeaWorld is steering clear of the standing coaster title, as I assume they are also trying to steer clear of the standing coaster tendency to be somewhat uncomfortable. SeaWorld has stated that these restraints were designed for comfortability and the surf experience, so I am really hoping this pans out. If this coaster is as comfy as they say and as fun to ride as it looks, I think that SeaWorld Orlando has a major winner lined up for themselves. Looks alone, this coaster is a standout option for Florida and even the whole of the United States. Head to attractionsmagazine.com to learn more.